The early pictures that depicted racism back in the early days, people who have not lived through any of that don't know what it feels like. You can compare that to the war in the Ukrainian-Russian war at the present time. When you look at those pictures, they're horrible. You say to yourself, how can a person go in and kill innocent people that have never done anything against them? And you know, it comes down to power. The ones that are in power don't really want the ones that are low grade to be elevated to where they are because they can't live with them. It's funny, isn't it?